Have you ever heard of a kokedama? Kokedama is a Japanese-inspired gardening technique that transforms plants into living sculptures made of soil and moss. Today, my mom and I are creating several different kokedamas using a philodendron, spider plant, neon pothos, golden pothos, and a few succulents. We started by mixing peat moss and potting soil together until it became moist enough to hold its shape. Next, we gently removed each plant from its nursery pot and carefully wrapped the roots around our soil mixture, forming a compact ball around the root system. Once the soil ball was shaped, we covered it with sheet moss to help hold everything together while creating that classic kokedama look. We finished some of the pieces with Spanish moss to give them a unique look. One of my favorite things about kokedama is that no two creations ever look exactly alike. Each plant develops its own personality and becomes a living work of art. Not only are kokedamas beautiful, but they're also a wonderful reminder to slow down, get creative, and spend time connecting with nature. And honestly, making them with my mom made this experience even more special. Which kokedama was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. The philodendron, spider plant, pothos, or succulents. Enjoyed this tutorial? Subscribe to Plant a Seed with me for more houseplant projects, mindful gardening ideas, guided meditations, and personal growth inspiration.